guys, this is Bui. Welcome back to Mama Bui's kitchen. Today I'm making a pound cake. So let's get right into it, guys. In the bowl I have 2 sticks of butter. First I'll beat well the butter. Then I'll slowly add my sugar. Next, I'll add eggs. I have 3 eggs. I'll add 1 at a time and beat well until light and fluffy. I'll stop my mixer and scrape the bowl. Next, I'll add vanilla. Then I'll add almond extract. Then I'll mix well till combined. I'll beat this until light and fluffy for about 15 minutes. Next, I'll add my flour in 3 batches. Mix until just combined. Do not overmix. Otherwise, your cake is gonna come dense and very hard. So our batter is ready. In here I have a greased and floured pan. I will transfer my batter into the pan and get it ready to be baked. Now our oven is ready at 350 Fahrenheit. Let's now bake our pound cake. There you have it. I'll leave it in the pan for about 10 minutes before I transfer it to the cooling rack. Beautiful pound cake. Look at the color. I love the contrast of the yellow color. This pound cake is sweet, not overly, rich and buttery, and is so moist. It kind of melts in your mouth. There you have it, guys. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. I'm Bui from Mama Bui's kitchen. Until next time, guys. Honey for my honey.